STSS Stock Analysis Tuesday and onwards. Am I buying? I'm covering all that in the short 1-minute video, so watch till the end. I'm looking at Sharp's technology stock. It is 48% up, right? Although the overall market on this thing is absolutely cooked, not looking good. You can see even my previous biases on this were always just bearish. I mean, I've done 37,000 videos, so I know what's making me money and what's not. Not that I just made the 37,000 videos and I'm like, what? Bro, I've invested 5 figures in courses and mentors, and I've gotten the feedback and I've improved. I've refined the strategy. Generally speaking, this pump and dump is going to happen and keep happening. Actually, it's going to keep happening. But instead of just trying to catch the short sale here, it's just a bearish market. And that's kind of the paradigm that I want to be operating in. And guess what? If my rules are not met, then I'm just not going to short sell. Like, people are overcomplicating stuff. So that's how it looks like for me. If you want to make more money in a simple way in just weeks, click the first link in the description. I'll see you in the next one.